Hello everyone, I'm back again with another video. In this one you can see that I've traded Litecoin, USD, and I've made quite a handsome profit, about $1,000 in just the early morning, so not bad for about 12 hours trading. My system told me that it was quite obvious that there would be a decent drop this morning, and as you can see there was from that high level. This really is not hard, and it shouldn't be. We shouldn't be wasting tons and tons and tons of time on the charts using different indicators, things we know that don't work, constantly hopping back and forth. I know, I've been through this myself, and it does get quite ridiculous, I must admit. But after so many years of struggling, knee deep in the scrap, my friends, I can tell you, my system has really brought life to each of my accounts. Now, all I do is I roll up to the charts, allow my system to tell me which way that the chart is going to go. I check the news, I wait, I'm patient, and I allow things to happen. I allow the market to come to me, and my chart tells me when it is ready to come. If you too want to learn about my system, how I trade, the correct ways to go about this, please show your support in the comments section, subscribe to my videos, and please prepare yourself for some incredible videos on the way. Cheers, my friends.